Now we will discuss volumes by cylindrical cells. We have some practice questions. For that purpose, we are taking some formula. If rotation about y-axis, function in terms of y equals to fx and radius in terms of x, cylindrical shape will be vertical in this way, then volume will be a to b limit of integration 2 pi x fx dx. 2 pi x is the circumference, x is the radius, fx is the height, and dx is the thickness. Similarly, for rotation about x-axis, we have x equals to function phi y form, then radius in terms of y and horizontal shape of the cylinder, then volume v equals to limit c to d of integration 2 pi by phi y dy. So volume by shell method or cylindrical cells is 2 pi limit a to b shell radius shell height into dx. By using these formulas accordingly, we will solve some problems here. Use cylindrical cells. Find the volume of solid generated when the region enclosed between y equals to root x and x belongs to 1 and 4 and revolve about y-axis given that pi equals to 3.14 and find the volume. First step here, we will draw the curve, that is region. So y equals to root x, it is given 1 to 4, x belongs to 1 and 4, so 1 is here, 4 is here, let us take 2 3, 1 2 3 1 and 2 4 here. This is the region enclosed between, this is upper curve y equals to root x, 1 and 4 lines, and below y x-axis. So if we rotate this about y-axis, we will take some like figure. This is the solid. So this is the views of solid after rotation about y-axis. Now limits of integration will be x equals to 1 to 4 and revolution axis is y-axis. So v equals to 1 to 4 2 pi x fx dx. On putting all the values, fx is root x and simplification, this gives us 77.87 units cube. This will be the volume of this function rotation of x is y-axis. Now we have some other questions. Let us take another practice question. Let R be the region bounded above by the graph y equals to x square and the below by the and below by x-axis over the interval 1 2. Find the volume of the solid of revolution formed by the revolving region R about y-axis. As previous we have done, we can use and we will obtain the formal result, that is volume 5 pi upon 12 of units cube. This will be the volume. Next question, rotation about any line. If we have rotation about any line, then question is here, let R be the region bounded above by y equals to x and below by x axis over the interval 1 and 2. Find the volume of solid of revolution formed by revolving R around the x around line x equals to -1. We have here solution step. So first step we know here, draw the curve. Curve looks like, let us say it is x equals to -1. This is y, this is x, and here 1 and 2, this is 1, this is 2, this is y equals to x. This is the region. We want to revolve x equals to -1. Shape of the curve looks like in this way. This will be a shape of the curve or solid after revolution generated around the line x equals to -1. This is x equals to -1. If we revolve this one around x equals to -1, therefore radius of the shell is x minus this one, x equals to +1, x minus axis line of rotation, axis of rotation, that is -1. So x plus 1 will be the radius. Now we are using simply formula v 1 to 2 pi shell radius, shell height into dx. After putting all the values, this is 1 to 2 pi x plus 1 fx dx. Fx is x, so this is 1 to 2 pi x plus 1 x dx. After simplification and taking limits, we will obtain 23/2 pi of units cube. This will be the volume. Thank you.